Thuy Hang's raw Halloween. With small proportion adjustment, this recipe can become a meal, a snack, or a dessert. A blender with a high-powered motor is mandatory to achieve the best result for this recipe. Any chosen orange fresh squash will do. I choose the buttercup squash this time. 1 cup of 1 cubic centimeter of squash. Half cup of coconut cream. 30 grams of vanilla protein powder. 1/3 teaspoon of fresh grated ginger. Stevia to taste. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. A pinch of nutmeg. Adding a dash of vanilla is optional here because the vanilla protein powder has enough of it. Puree all ingredients for the smoothest texture. Shake it a bit, then put it back to blend. Transfer into a nice dessert bowl. I top it with a tablespoon of meringue for a lighter version because it's a gluten and dairy-free dessert. Otherwise, a tablespoon of cold coconut cream would give the Thuy Hang's raw Halloween a richer taste and texture. You can sprinkle with cinnamon or cocoa powder.